Residents of San Juan del Monte have endured a water supply crisis for nearly 4 years. A dilemma that begs immediate intervention, with residents needing to buy water at 80 pesos a drum, and the number of adversely affected barangays have reached 46 and counting. Then again, Prime Water, the water utility and service provider, has done little to respond to initiate fixes, let alone answer calls. As our Gab Humilda narrates.
In 2006, Freddy lived in Barangay Santo Cristo in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. The water service was good then. In 2022, their ordeal began due to the lack of water. They experienced up to 3 weeks without water. Because of this, many of his neighbors are also getting sick. They are now developing their own strategies to make sure their stored water is sufficient.
Very economized na lang. Tipirin mo na lang. Dahil kung minsan magsusupply yung truck. And then after 4 days o after ano naman. So, ultimo nga yung recycle na lang kuminsan eh. Panghugas ng plato, nire-recycle na lang. Pambuhos na siya, maliligo ka, sahurin mo sa planggana. Yun ang pagsawa, yun ang ibubuhos mo sa Nidoro. Dahil pumapasok yung mga bata, hindi mapwedeng hindi sila maligo. Gumamit ka na siya, hindi mapwedeng hindi mo i-plus o ibuhusan.
According to the homeowner's official, Sunny, their neighborhood only has water supply for 2 hours, so they are relying on the water tanker to deliver water at the price of 80 pesos per drum.
Ultinyo hangin, binabayaran po namin. Hangin na lumalabas sa gripo namin, pero binabayaran namin. Mula po nung pumasok si Prime Water, hanggang sa ngayon, ang aming pong tangke ng tubig ay hindi nalilinis. Dati po nung nasa water district yan, every year pinaplasing po yung aming tangke. Tapos every 3 months nagkakaroon po ng strategic na andito para kuha ng water sample ng tubig. Ngayon po, wala na po nangyaring gano'n eh.
Freddy and Sunny are among the more than 40,000 residents of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan who are now experiencing water supply problems. Freddy and Sunny wrote to Prime Water and the Local Water Utilities Administration or LUWA to find a solution to their water problem. They are calling on Prime Water as well as the local government to do something about it.
Pero sana, nawa, dagdagan pa nila yung effort lang yan para matapos na itong problema na ito.
Kaya sana po, nananawagan kami. Ayan, ito ang aking mga kapitbahay na daratingan na. Sana po pag-igihin at ayusin yung serbisyo ng tubig kasi po hindi kami nagkukulang sa pagbabayad.
The LGU has previously declared a state of calamity as the number of affected barangays has already reached 46. Up to 13 trucks loaded with water are moved to ration the affected residents. The LGU also plans to buy 6 additional trucks to assist in the delivery of water. Prime Water, the private water utility company, allegedly does not respond every time to the city council when the area is experiencing water supply problems.
Every single time na may problema sa tubig, ipinapatawag ang Prime Water, pero hindi sila nakakausap ng maayos, or dumating man sila, hindi naman nakakakuha ng, kumbaga, positive response. Hindi nag-yield ng positive response yung mga patawag sa kanila. Pero ang Water District naman, meron naman tayong communication sa Water District. And yun nga, if ever we are looking into possible, yun nga, kumbaga, mas magkaroon tayo ng karapatang mag-intervene doon sa pag-facilitate ng pagdadala ng tubig sa mga household.
According to Councilor Ina Capa, the LGU will no longer renew Prime Water's business permit due to the inconvenience it has caused to residents. Although the LGU is currently implementing a temporary solution to address the water crisis, they also have a long-term solution in place to address the water problem in the city.
We are really looking into to finding someone na makakapag-provide talaga sa tunay na pangangailangan ng San Joseño, kasi malaking investment ang kailangan para ma-i-address yung mga problema na meron kami ngayon. Kasi may tubig kami, ang problema yung facilities, ang problema yung mga malalaking kailangang pondong gastusin para maipaayos yung facilities para siguraduhin na makakarating sa bawat bahay yung tubig.
According to the councilor, the LGU expects that the repair to the facilities of San Jose Water District will reach up to 5 billion pesos if they cannot find a private concessionaire who can operate the city's water system. It is possible that up to 90,000 households in the city will be affected by the water crisis if it is not addressed within the next 2 to 3 years. PTV News also tried to get Prime Water and LUWA side, but they have not yet issued a statement on the matter. The LDRRMC is scheduled to conduct another meeting to discuss the implications and actions to be taken by the local government.
Hinihimok ko sila na makipagtulungan at makipag-cooperate. Kasi ito naman, hindi na to negosyo Hindi to negosyo, hindi ito. Ang concern dito ay buhay na ng mga taong bayan. Ito ay malawakang krisis na sana kung ano man yung mga nagiging problema ay mapagtulungan kung magkakaroon tayo ng proper coordination at makapag-usap ng maayos.
Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.